Do you want to get more bang for your marketing buck? Of course you do, and I want to help you do it. My name is Aidan Crawford, and I am with Short Circuit Media. I am here today to tell you a bit about a workshop that I'm putting on that is a 60-minute workshop on do-it-yourself marketing, how to get the biggest bang for your marketing buck by doing it yourself. This program is 60 minutes long, it's absolutely free, and it's going to walk you through all the steps you need to save yourself thousands of dollars every month while growing your business. So all you need to do is click through and register. I'm not going to add you to any lists. This is a completely free workshop. Like I said, 60 minutes. We're going to go over how to identify your ideal client, how to create content to get you in front of those clients, some content distribution models, so that you'll learn how to get that content in front of those ideal clients. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of a twist to show you how to create more effective online ads and use some marketing for social media that's not going to waste your time. And then finally, I'm going to talk about how to use your expertise and your genius to get in there and create some knowledge-based products that hopefully you'll be able to market and get some business while you sleep. This program is specifically designed for entrepreneurs, professional service providers like accountants or anybody who's an independent consultant, and professional speakers. So if you fall into any of those broad categories, or you just happen to own a business that you would like to market better, I guarantee you there is going to be things that you're going to take away from this workshop that you can implement right away that will help everything grow and make it crazy successful way to end the year. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. Sign up down here, and then we'll see you soon.